in this video, I will be guiding you on how to fix lost access to your phone number on Revolut. Please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. Before starting, make sure you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So first, you will open your Revolut app or your Revolut website, but make sure that your country has Revolut so that you will be actually be able to access this. Then you will tap profile icon once you log in, and then you will go to personal details and click phone number. Tap change number and then select I don't have access to my old number. Follow the on-screen steps and upload ID verification if prompted. Enter your new phone number and then you will receive a verification SMS. Enter code in the app, and then your phone number is now updated. 2FA notifications will be sent to the new number. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.